since 2021 is departing, let's go ahead and take a look at in 2022, what are some of the special bags that is going to come out. So 2021 is almost over and 2022 is coming. In today's video, I have gathered some really cool bags that is going to be coming out in 2022 from Hermès. And if you have not seen my summary of all of the creme de la creme bags in 2021, yes, I'm talking about Birkins and Kellys, go ahead and check the video over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at in 2022, what are some of the special bags that is going to come out. This is a preview of all of the handbags that I'm going to talk about today, and I believe they're all coming out in 2022 spring summer. There are some really exciting styles and never seen before cuties like the number 3 you're looking at right now. I'm going to try my best to include some detailed pictures. If you haven't seen them before, in today's video you're going to see all about them. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I would love if you join right now. So first things first, this bag is called the Maxi Mort and it's in a cylinder shape and with a top handle that is an Hermès heritage symbol. This bag kind of reminded me of a heritage Coach leather piece because I used to work for the brand and this reminds me a lot of it. The handle is made out of 2 pieces of metal. It ties in with the equestrian theme, so it's very simplistic. You know, for those who doesn't like a lot of branding, this bag is perfect. And I'm sure you guys are super excited about the Birkins and the Kellys that are going to come out this year. In 2021, I believe Hermès launched the very first picnic Birkin and also Kelly the year before, so people are super excited to see what's going to be launched this year on both such iconic silhouettes. So you're the lucky one to see the first preview. This is the Birkin and Kelly Colormatic. I mean, the name kind of gave away a lot already, and this is a detailed photo of what the Colormatic Kelly going to look like. You can see that there are a lot of color blocking elements in here. You can see that the color of the strap are two-tone. There's a front pocket that has a little zipper compartment, which is very cute, and it's also displayed in a different form of color. The zipper pull is also a different color than the pocket itself, and if you pay close attention, you can see that the base of the top handle are also 2 colors. So I guess if you want to play a game, let's find how many colors that you're going to find on the Colormatics. I'm sure that would not disappoint you. I believe both silhouettes are going to be launched in Swift leather, which is one of my top choice leathers for my next quota bag. It's just so beautiful. We're on to number 4, and you can see this is a very special mini bag, which is the Kelly doll. It re-released in the brand new edition. Any guesses on what the new name is? I'm going to save this to the very last because I have some in-person footage or in-person photo of this particular bag, and it's just stunning. And I really appreciate all the details on all Hermès bags, especially when they're tiny. So we're going to see that later on in the video. Peekaboo! I'm going to see you later. The next is some innovation and new creation on the very iconic Bolide bag. The new variation is going to be called the Bolide Skate because they have incorporated a skateboard on the bottom of the bag. The style of this bag is almost unisex because it's in a very neutral shape. I don't know if this information is still accurate, but the very first time I went to Hermès to look for the messenger bag, I was informed by this ambassador person that Hermès doesn't discriminate, so the bags are neutral. It can be either for ladies or for gentlemen. At least that holds true for this bag because we've seen it on a female model and a male model, and the size is pretty big. You can see that it's big enough. The bag is literally sitting on a skateboard that molds to the base of the bag, which is a very unique shape and interesting because a lot of us, when we use handbags, we do worry about the wear and tears in the corners or the base of the bag because that's areas that's been used the most. But hey, they think of a solution and made it very fun by incorporating a skateboard onto the bottom of the bag. Any thoughts on this? Now let's take a look at number 6. Basically, it's like a wallet on chain, but it's with a strap, obviously. And what's unique about this is that it has a enameled buckle, and I like it when Hermès makes small leather goods like this because, you know, there's other styles too, so this is a new addition to the small leather goods section. Now this one is very, very unique and special. It's called the Toupet. It looks like a bag that is wearing 3 layers of skirts. Very unique design. design. I haven't personally owned something like this. I believe the tassels are made out of something that's related with their equestrian heritage, but more to be confirmed. Number 8 and 9 look like they're both tote bags, and they don't look very big on the photos here, but I have a few pictures from the runway that shows you the size of it. This bag actually reminds me a little of the Neverfull tote from Vuitton, but I know it's very different. This one looks like it's made out of actual canvas instead of the coated canvas on the Neverfull. I like that the bag comes with a tag, so there's some special decoration as well, and it looks leather, so not a bad bag. Here are a few pictures from the runway of the number 9 tote bag. It looks like it's really big and it's very suitable for men, but for some of us who, needs to carry a lot, I believe this is a pretty lightweight canvas bag as well. It's got the Hermès elements in it. So how do you like it? Let me know in the comment section below. 2 pictures on the poster look very similar to me, and I believe from what the names are indicated for them, they're the same family. It looks like they're called the Sabot bag, and it's very unique. This year Hermès finally launched a picnic version for the Birkin, so now they're rolling out more styles that's made out of the straw material. Shall we come back to this? Kelly doll is one of the most collectible mini bags from Hermès because it is a descendant from the Kelly family. The Kelly doll started production in around the year 2000, and it has been a part of the collection since then. However, it is very, very rare to come across them, and obviously it comes with a pretty costly price tag. But it didn't stop the collectors to go after them. In 2022, some of the collectors have something to look forward to, and perhaps you want to get your hands on this Kelly doll Picto. It is a Kelly mini with very vivid features of eyes, brows, a smile, a nose, a mouth, and a pair of hands, and apparently a little back pouch that's featured as a part of the bag. Although this bag looks pretty cartoonish, but if you look at the detailed breakdown of the craftsmanship, you can see that there's a lot of work that is done on the bag. It looks pixelated, especially the eyes, the mouth. It's very innovative in terms of craftsmanship, and definitely the brand is bringing something new and modern to an existing model. Thanks to social media, I believe some clients who attended their launch in Hong Kong have previewed this piece. And look at the front and the back of this cutie. On the back side, it almost looks like the bag itself is carrying a backpack. Obviously, it's just a little pouch, an additional compartment there. But also on the side of the bag, it looks like there are some layers, like kind of jiggly edges, which really ties in with the theme. Nonetheless, I know this bag is going to become the center of attention or all of the talks once the official release comes out. I love the color combination. I think, the brand is trying to utilize something that is very trendy right now, a cream color white, the yellow, and the mouth looks like the mauve Sylvester to me. And on the back side, it looks like one of the newer brownish neutrals that they are going to be launching. So it is just such an exciting, new and modern piece that makes everybody crave for one. There are some really special bags. I mean, the Kelly has a dual tone color strap that is different when you close it up. It is quite a new thing that Hermès is doing. I love that they have incorporated a front zipper in the front of the bag because you never know. Having an additional compartment there is always helpful. I love the color block on the strap because it's such a unique detail. And if you're familiar with Hermès, you know that they do offer these special orders to their clients. So even with special order, I don't think you can achieve one strap with 2 colors on there. I mean, there are special edition bags. That's why these bags do exist. After seeing all of those bag silhouettes that is going to come out in 2022, do you have a favorite? I would say I'm definitely very interested in that Kelly. But who knows, with Hermès, they're always ahead of their game, meaning they're always offering special things to their clients who are super special to them. So I'm excited to find out more about these bags. I hope you find today's video informative. If you like this type of video, make sure you give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Check out the Hermès playlist, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.